Hello and welcome to this short video training for the Oracle system, in which we'll be reviewing the steps that you will follow to place an SKU LAN number on a order pick hold. You follow these steps when you want to prevent a specific LAN number for an item from being picked while you're running a pick release for an order. So first, you need to have, of course, the pieces of data that you need are the SKU number and the lot that you want to place on hold. So once you have that information, you can go to the Oracle system under the inventory management. From there, you'll go to material maintenance. And under material maintenance, you will find maintaining lot numbers. You select that and open that form, which will take you to this form. Here you will enter the SKU number that you are working on and the lot number. So in this case, we are selecting this SKU for lot number 2008. If you have multiple lots, you can leave this blank or you can put the range. But in this case, we'll just select one. You click find and it will take you to this form. Here you are looking at the status field, which at this moment the status is active. You click on the drop down and you will select one of these two. There is really not a short answer as to why you select one or the other than if one doesn't work, you can always select the second one. Because for some reasons and the system will not work for either one of them, but you can always select one of the two. So in this case, I'm selecting the first one and click OK. And good. So in this case, it's giving me this error message saying they cannot change the status if the reservations are associated with this entity. So in this case, we know that it's not working for that one that we selected. You can just click OK. You can go back and then select the second one. So in this case, we selected the second one, say OK, and it didn't give us any message. So it's working. From here, you'll go to the top left corner and click Save. And always in Oracle, when you're making any changes or saves, you want to look at the bottom left corner to make sure that the system is accepting your changes. In this case, we have this message saying that our record has been applied and saved, meaning that we have been successful at placing that lot on hold. From here, you can just exit this form, and now every time you run a pick ticket against that SKU, that lot number 2008 will be ignored, meaning they will not be picked, and it will not be printed in any pick ticket. So once you start using this practice of placing lots on hold, it is very important that you do audits often to make sure that you have not placed an SKU lot on hold and you forgot to put it back on an active status, because a lot cannot be on hold forever. Otherwise, FIFO will be disrupted. So I imagine you will be placing lots on hold for specific periods of time, and then it will be either released or you will have to scrap or destroy those tires for that lot number because of quality issues. So now let's say that you want to place that lot back on an active status. So you will go to the same form. You will look for the same item that we just worked on. Select the lot number 2008, click find, and you just simply click on the drop down on the active status, and change it to active. And click the save icon. again, here at the bottom, we are reading that a record was applied and saved. We have successfully placed that lot number as an active status again. So again, just make sure to either use a BI report or a MicroStrategy report to look at your stock on hand. Make sure that you have the status as one of the fields to make sure that nothing has gone ignored for too long, or that you forgot to place something back on an active status. That is it for this training. Thank you very much for your time and have a nice day.